Okay. Yes. I'm not sure if it's working. I see nobody. I don't know if it's working. And my Wi-Fi it's not good, so I cannot make the sharing with Facebook. Yes. Yee! Hello. How are you? Okay, it's working. You hear me? Okay, cool. So today I start the class. We will make some yoga belly, special belly. Take one bouillotte. Bouillotte, it's in French, but it's a hot water bottle. Yes, super. Tu m'entends? And bouillotte, yoga belly. But I think you are in hot place, so maybe you don't need it. I will try one thing because I saw many people come and move and leave. So I want to maybe let me know if it's interesting for you or not. But I will sharing with you first the class. Like this you can see and you are not scary about what it's happened. All the class are, if I make a class with a more strong level, I will telling you before, but for now it's all the class are for everybody, and mostly they are for everybody. I really want to keep this this dynamic because the project is to traveling and sharing the yoga with everybody, so I cannot make like some strong yoga. But if one day some people ask me for one vinyasa and etc., I can make it, but later. For now, all the class you can observe and discover slowly all the posture and all the asanas, and you will find some asanas and discover step by step new asanas. Asanas mean posture in Sanskrit. So for the yoga belly, for the yoga belly, I want to try something. It's sharing with you my my class before. Like this, you can check and know how it's happened. So first, it's lazy, but no, it's easy but not lazy. So 3 words, and I will writing you on the also on the hello Carol, on the comment text. So pression, compression, and action for the belly. First, we will start with Dhanurasana. I don't know if you see. Okay. Dhanurasana, it's a posture and variant. It's a posture on the belly. We will start like this. Bhujangasana, it's the cobra, and with one breathing and the bouillotte. Dhanurasana one more time. For the second, it's Shulukyasana, it's a dolphin plank. Baby Bakasana, it's also for strength with the in the belly and all the small muscle in the belly. It's working also on the arms, but it's interesting to explore the sensation, small sensation in the belly. Adho Mukha with a prana. I make some, I don't know, wait, because if you see my face, it's maybe not more interesting. And after you tell me if it's interesting to show the class or not. I will not make this if you don't want. Parivrita Parshvakonasana, it's a twist and compression. This is very interesting. We will start with pression and after compression. Parivrita, variant of Parivrita with Parivrita Parshvakonasana. Virasana, it's hero pose, it's just for feel the feeling. Kumbhakasana, it's the plank pose with leg. This is a little bit dynamic but easy. Like I say in the beginning, it's really easy class. Uddiyana Bandha, it's a prana. For the first, for this class, it's really, I will make it shorter and easy just to feel the sensation and this curve, to do it. And I will show you also one bandha. Navasana, it's the boat pose with the leg lift. Hello. Vakrashana, you know it. We will make some torsion, same, it's a twist and compression, it's interesting. And abdo alternates, it's not yoga, but it's some abdo. In yoga style, no, very safe for the back. Pavamukasana, it's suppression des vents en français, but in English it's like a suppress wind. I don't know. We can do this. Say this. And after Savasana, it's the pose, the relaxing pose on the ground with my best friends. Okay, so let's start. Happy to see you all. And let's start on the ground. I'm not sure if it's in. Yes, I keep this. Okay, there is some position with knees. So if you have your knees very sensible, you can take a blanket. Okay, first put your, if you have it and if you take it, put your bouillotte and come on the ground and relax. Relax and make a deep breathing with your belly. If you don't have it, it's same, it's good also. Deep breathing. Keep your breathing, inhale, exhale. Okay, one inhale, remove. And exhale, come down. Okay, lift two hands in front and leg in front. It's not good like this. I will change. Wait 1 minute. I will like this, maybe you see me more. Okay. So, straight, two legs, two arms, and lift it. Deep breathing in the belly. It's the variant, and for preparing Dhanurasana, breathe. the throat. Lift both legs, both arms. And slowly relax. If you want to keep some hot, you can put your bouillotte on your back. Deep breathing, big belly, everything is on the belly. Make a big inhale. Okay. Same. 2 legs, 2 arms, lift up. Keep your right arms and left leg and push. Deep breathing in your belly. Keep your mula bandha like you don't want to pee. Change. Keep your breathing. And slowly relax. Feel the sensation in your belly. Keep your big breathing in your belly. Okay, slowly keep your bouillotte. Take your bouillotte and put it just here, under your stomach, Manipura chakra, a little bit under it. 2 forearms parallel in front of you. Lift your heart and breathe deeply with your diaphragm, okay? More than with your ribs. Long, maybe. Breathe. Relax your shoulders. Okay, slowly you can lift to make an extension with the whole of your front part of the body. Okay, and slowly come back. In this part, you can remove, if you want, your hot bottle, your bouillotte, or you can keep it and make some Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati, it's active exhalation. So we will make it slow. You just do with your nose. When you do this, you keep your mula bandha squeezed. So you make like you don't want to pee. You keep it strongly, you lift your heart and you make some dynamic exhalation. The inhalation came naturally. Let's start. Inhale, lift, remove your bouillotte and come down slowly. Makarasana, 2 hands, make a little pillow and relax everything. Relax your back and make a deep breathing in your belly. Okay. Slowly, you will flex your leg, match your feet, two feet and 2 hands together. If you don't arrive to match your ribs or your feet, you can take your blanket or something to have your feet. Lift your heart, or you can push slowly with one hand and try to keep the other one with your other hand. You lift your heart, lift your feet, and breathe. Slowly, you make a little Dhanurasana, okay? It's the morning, it's the first position, and the body is still cold. So it's just to make a big pressure on the ground with your belly, and you breathe. And don't open your knees, but try to keep your knees closer, and lift. You can balance if you want, but breathe. Breathe with your nose. And slowly release. Release your legs, feet, hands together. Make a little pillow and relax. Back Makrasana. Crocodile pose. Relax. You can put same your bouillotte or your hot bottle on your back. It's cool. Make a deep breathing in your belly. Okay. Same. Right hand, left feet together. You lift it and you breathe. Breathe in your belly. Feel the sensation. Breathe deeply. Slowly relax in one exhalation. Change. Left feet, right hand, lift. And slowly relax. Exhale and relax all your body on the ground. Feel the sensation and the movement of your belly on the ground. Okay, slowly. Forearms on the ground. You will flex here with your feet. And slowly you engage your core and you lift. Right knees with your right arms. Change. Left knees with your left arms. Come back. Shurukyasana, come down. Bhujangasana, Cobra, lift your heart. And breathe. Little Kapalabhati, if you want you can put your bouillotte here. Kapalabhati, it's a fire breathing. It's for all your burning organs. So to put some hot, it's to make it more deeper and easier to burn for them. Okay? Breathe. One big inhale and active exhalation. Mula Bandha. Inhale, remove your bouillotte. Exhale, lift. Breathe. your core, engage your Mula Bandha. Okay. Right knees, right hand. Change. Left knees, left hand. Arms. And change. Put your knees. Knees on the ground. Okay. Baby Bakasana. The baby Bakasana is very interesting because it's work a lot on your arms, but we make the dolphin before, so it's cool. It's balancing on your forearms, but it's very, very easy. What is interesting is the pressure to your leg with your belly and your bracing. So, put your forearms parallel, flex your feet, look in front of you but not on the ground, far away from your mat. Try to put your knees in contact to your arms, just here, and slowly you walk and slowly you lift your feet and you push on the ground. You activate your Mula Bandha and you activate your core. Do it, try it, again, do it, keep it. Okay, slowly come back. Virasana, close your eyes. Hero pose, feel the sensation in front. Lift your heart. Relax your jaw, relax your shoulders. Mula Bandha activate. Okay. Next. A plank pose. Kumbhakasana. You keep your plank. Push strongly with your two hands. Engage your core. Feel all the muscle in your core. Okay, first, left knees, left arm. Breathe. If it's too strong, you can put your knees on the ground. It's the same, and you breathe deeply. Change. And come down, Virasana, same. Feel the sensation in your belly, stretch, put your coccyx on the ground and lift your heart. Breathe deeply, feel all the sensation and the movement of your belly and what's happening inside. Make some movement, big movement. Okay, one last more. Plank, Kumbhaka. Breathe. Active your Mula Bandha, ceinture scapula, push up. Keep your Mula Bandha. Bandha, it's a lock. We will see after with Uddiyana Bandha, with one breathing, with pranayama. Okay, right knees. You can put your knees on the ground if it's too hard. Like this. Change. Breathe. Okay. Slowly put your knees. Virasana, few seconds. Close your eyes. but not lazy, like I tell you at the beginning. Just feel it. Okay, now we will make some Uddiyana. I will change the, because you can't see me. 1 minute. Oula, ça glisse. Yes. Yes, it's not moving. Okay, Uddiyana Bandha, it's a breathing, it's a deep breathing release to make a big cleaning to all your organs, or your internal organs. For example, Kapalabhati, who we make just before, it's more for the fire organs. The organs who make some the digestion, who they burn all your food and all what you bring inside you. For Uddiyana, it's like a big massage. So, in Uddiyana, we need to have 2 bandhas. It's not good this. Okay. 2 bandhas. Mula Bandha and Jalandhara. What is bandhas? Bandhas, it's like a lock. It's a veil. You block in your body, inside you. So to feel it, we will make something. It's not the exercise, but it's just to make you the possibility to understand what to do. So you put your 2 hands with your knees and you make just 1 big inhale. And you lock here, Jalandhara and Mula Bandha. You hold on your inhale. And after that, hold it. You lift. And when you lift here, you can feel like a stretch because you hold your here and you block here with your Jalandhara and you feel a little stretch deeper inside you. So just do it again, just to feel. You make a big inhale and you hold it and you lift. 1 big inhale and lift. And you feel it. Okay, for Uddiyana Bandha, it's like a big massage. So first, 2 hands with your knees. You can see maybe more like this. Your 1 big exhale. And breathe. You make 1 big exhale, you hold, you lift your navel, and after you move with your belly to make a deep massage. You can do it just like this or just hold when you and see what happens here with your belly and the movement and feel the movement. Okay, let's do it 3 times. 2 bandhas, Mula Bandha and Jalandhara. 1 big inhale, exhale, hold, same, you hold out, exhale, and feel the sensation. Feel the sensation in your belly, in your body. Breathe, keep your eyes closed. Okay. Navasana. I don't know if it's a good idea to move the... But you will tell me after if it's good or not. It's moving each time. Oops, what do I do? Okay. So, sit on the ground. Navasana. Same. It's the boat pose. You can keep your knees and your leg flexed, or you can lift it. Keep your chest up and breathe. One leg down and lift. Change and lift. Breathe. One leg and lift. Other leg and lift. Okay, come back. Sit and feel the sensation. Can move. Two sit bone on the ground, very strong. Okay. Next, Vrikshasana. We will do it. So there is one more thing here to make it more deeper. Take your bouillotte, put your feet to the opposite side. Bring with your two arms, lift, opposite arms with your knees, hand, and breathe, and twist. Oh bébé, oh oui, je suis fatiguée. Lift, push on the ground. Deep breathing. Okay, and change. Change your feet, lift, and arms opposite. Lift your heart, push on the ground, and look far away. Make a deep breathing with your belly, your diaphragm. Okay, and change. Right leg on your back. Two hands on the in front of you. Right elbow with your left knee. And push and twist. And breathe. Slowly come back. You can put some blanket if you are sensible. Here, lift your heart, lift, stretch your spine, and make some massage, push and breathe. Inhale and exhale. Push with the top of your feet. Okay, and come back. Change. Lift your heart. Two hands together. Parivrtta, Parsvakonasana. If you are easy in this posture, you can lift. Feel what you want to do. You have different options. Deep breathing in your belly. Slowly come back. Push with the top of your feet. Lift. Stretch your spine. And push. Make a deep massage. In your belly. Make some massage point. Okay. Slowly come back. Okay, and sit. Now we will make some abdos alternés. Come slowly on the ground. I forget something. This I do it. No, it's okay. I'm not sure if it's good to show you before because after I'm so focused and concentrated about what you see. I'm not sure. Okay, knees, hips in the same line. Shoulders, same line. You will slowly, in one exhalation, and breathe. Keep the posture. Change. Keep the posture. Change. Don't put your feet on the ground. And breathe. And change. Slowly, suppression des vents. You push, you keep your two legs together. Chin, throat, and you make a big pressure. And you breathe. Keep your right knees, release your left leg. Make some space to your rib cage and try to put your knees close to your under your arms. And breathe. Relax the skin of your face. Ah yes, I forget Adho Mukha. My God. Okay. So, okay. It's like this. Change. Breathe. Breathe deeply. You can put your bouillotte in your belly. We will make it again, so it's okay. Try to put more knees under your arms and deep breath. Make a deep breathing. Okay, we work on the colon. So it's make like a U inverse. So first we make with the right knees and after the left. Okay, now same. Strong. Keep and breathe. Change. Change. Breathe. Change. Two knees together. Exhale. Deep breathing. Okay, keep your right. Okay, we work on the colon. You can put your hot bottle or bouillotte in French in your belly. Create some space in your shoulders and breathe. Relax the skin of your face, your jaw. Deep pression. And slowly change. Relax the skin of your face. You can close your eyes. It's the last posture. Okay, and slowly release your two legs. If you have some space in this part of your body, you flex your legs, you lift your sacrum, you put the sacrum on the ground and you release your leg. Same here, you push with the back of your head, you lift your shoulders and you put all your shoulders on the ground. You release. Few seconds in Savasana. It's not finished. We will make some massage in the belly with some breathing. First, feel the sensation in the hair come inside and outside. Okay. Slowly. Two hands to your right part and you push here in your belly and you breathe. And we will make a U inverse, okay? Like it's for the colon and finish all the part. But under the colon you will meet the rat, stomach, liver, etc. Okay? So with your two hands, your fingers, and you push and you make one big inhale here in this part, and slowly we will go up, we will make the U and we will come down, okay? Push and breathe and come up slowly. Can move and make some circle if you want. And slowly take your hot bottle if you have it. It's not an obligation. Okay, slowly come up. And slowly push, make a big pump, and slowly start to make the circle of the U, inverse U. Eyes closed, feel the sensation, and continue. One step more, breathe. Make some circle if you want, feel the sensation. Okay, change. Make one step more, breathe. Feel what's happened under your tips, fingertips. What you feel, and continue. Come down slowly. And continue. Come down. And continue. Come down. And continue. Come down. Okay. Two hands. One on one down and one up. Make a big balloon and hold on. You can move and slowly exhale. Hold out. Move. Mass. Exhale. Inhale. Okay. One more. Inhale. Hold on. Big balloon. Massage. Exhale. Hold out. And massage. And you make some movement. Okay? Inhale. Dance. Belly dance. Exhale. Same exhale and belly dance. Massage. Inhale. And relax. Savasana. Put your bouillotte. Relax all your body. Feel the sensation in your belly. Breathe. Okay, slowly take your time. Feel your breathing, your inhale and your exhalation. It's the end of the class. Thank you and see you next week. Oh, I close, I forget. Oh, and drink one glass of hot water after. It's for finishing the cleaning. I don't know how I finish the glass. Here? No. They change